पिछले वीडियो में हमने सीखा था इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू अ शेल। हमने प्रूव किया था शेल के बाहर कितना पोटेंशियल होगा, शेल के अंदर कितना पोटेंशियल होगा। आज हम देखते हैं कि व्हाट विल बी द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू अ चार्ज्ड सॉलिड स्फीयर। लेट अस सी। Electrostatic potential due to charged solid sphere। आइए इसकी बात करें। लेट अस टॉक अबाउट इट। लेट अस कंसिडर a uniformly charged solid sphere with radius capital R. Instead of capital R, it is better to select the radius to be small a, just to eradicate the confusion of future. So let us consider a uniformly charged solid sphere with volume charge density rho. Consider uniformly charged solid sphere with charge density equal to rho. Radius of sphere equal to a, or distance of point of observation is equal to small r. This way, this is your point of observation at distance small r. Now, to find out the electric potential, or find the electrostatic potential at P due to this charged sphere, let us assume an elementary spherical shell with radius equal to x and it has thickness of dx। तो हमने एज्यूम किया कि फॉर दिस सॉलिड स्फीयर हमने एज्यूम किया एक स्फेरिकल शेल जिसका रेडियस x और इसकी थिकनेस dx। नाउ लेट अस मेंशन दिस। Let us assume elementary shell, concentric shell लिखें ज़्यादा बेहतर है, with radius equal to x and thickness equal to dx. Now, what will be the charge on this shell? Let us calculate. Therefore, charge on elementary shell is equal to dq, and this dq will be equal to rho into 4 pi x square into dx. Now let us see why we are using this formulation. Let us assume if this shell is cut and made to spread, it will form a thick plate having area, total surface area this one. and this surface area has thickness of dx. So we can just mention its entire volume, this volume to be 4 pi x square into dx. 4 pi x square is the surface area of this spherical shell and dx is its thickness. Therefore, its entire volume would be 4 pi x square into dx. Now, we can easily mention the electrostatic potential at P. ऐसा हमने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है, हमने पहले पढ़ा था कि electrostatic potential due to a shell. तो because of this shell, we can mention electrostatic potential at P. Therefore, electrostatic potential at P due to elementary shell is dV equal to dq upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. सॉरी, पोटेंशियल है आर आएगा. ऐसा हम पहले प्रूव कर चुके हैं कि फॉर एनी शेल द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एट एनी पॉइंट आउटसाइड द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू अ सेल इज सेम एज entire charge is located at the center of shell. The center we have not mentioned, let it be O. So dV equal to dq upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Substituting the values, we shall get so for whole potential due to this solid sphere, V is equal to integral rho into 4 pi x square into dx upon 4 pi epsilon naught small r, and the limit of integration would be the radius of cell, minimum radius of cell would be 0 and the maximum can be a. So the integration would be from 0 to a. Since at P electrostatic potential due to whole sphere is V is equal to integral rho into 4 pi x square into dx upon 4 pi epsilon naught small r. The integration limits would be from 0 to a. Since the radius of the solid sphere is a, the constants will be taken out. Integrating this, we can get x cube upon 3 limit 0 to a, substituting the values rho into 4 pi upon 4 pi epsilon naught small r into a cube upon 3. If we use the value of rho, this is electrostatic potential at point P. It can further be written as 4 pi and 4 pi cancelled, rho a cube upon 3 epsilon naught small r. If we substitute rho, rho equal to q upon 4 upon 3 pi a cube into a cube. So this will give Vp is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught small r. That is, the electrostatic potential at the point B due to this charged solid sphere would be same as the entire charge is located at the center of sphere, as we are getting the relation. Now for electrostatic potential at the surface and inside, let us see. As we have calculated at any point outside the sphere is V equal to V out equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught small r. At surface of a sphere, a small r will be equal to the radius of a sphere, that is equal to a. Therefore, V at surface, that is electrostatic potential at surface of the sphere, will be q upon 4 pi epsilon naught capital R. Electric potential inside the solid sphere that is for r lesser than a. Let this is your point of observation at distance r from center O. Let us assume a sphere passing through point of observation and concentric with a given sphere. Let us assume a sphere passing through point of observation. Let us assume a sphere which is passing through point of observation and concentric with given sphere. Now, at P, at this P point, the electric potential exists due to the solid sphere of radius small r. Since the P point is at the surface of the solid sphere of radius small r, so therefore at P point potential exists due to the solid sphere of radius small r, as well as the electric potential at P exists due to the spherical shell of inner radius equal to small r and outer radius equal to small a. Now let us mention this. So now at P, electrostatic potential is V equal to electric potential due to solid sphere of radius small r plus electric potential due to spherical shell of radius inner equal to small r and radius outer equal to a. So we can write it as V equal to, for the solid sphere, the potential due to solid sphere at the point P, that is at the surface, it is equal to the potential due to the charge of solid sphere at O. So we can just write it as V is equal to rho into 4 upon 3 pi small r cube upon 4 pi epsilon naught small r plus V shell. This can further be evaluated as 4 pi cancel, small r and this cancel, that is -1, not completely cancel but it is -1. So it will give V is equal to rho into r square upon 3 epsilon naught plus V shell. Now for V shell, we shall calculate the potential due to shell. Let us see. Now to calculate the electric potential at P due to the spherical shell, let us assume an imaginary shell of radius x with thickness so that charge on shell let us assume imaginary shell concentric with a sphere and has radius equal to x and thickness equal to dx. Therefore, charge on shell would be dq equal to 4 pi x square rho into 4 pi x square into dx. We know that the electric potential due to a shell at its center and at surface is constant. Here potential due to elementary shell is dV equal to dq upon 4 pi epsilon naught x. Using the values This can be cancelled with this. For whole shell, we have to integrate this and the integration limits would be from the inner radius of the shell to the outer radius. That is the inner radius to the outer radius. It gives four pi can be cancelled with 4 pi. This gives V shell equal to rho upon epsilon naught using the limits. Using the limits we can get V shell equal to rho upon 2 epsilon naught into a square minus r square. Therefore, using equation second in first, we get electric potential at point P, that is inside, is Vp equal to rho r square upon 3 epsilon naught plus rho upon 2 epsilon naught a square minus r square. So, further solving it, rho upon epsilon naught can be taken common and this result r square by 3 plus a square by 2 minus r square by 2. Further solving, it gives rho upon epsilon naught 2r square plus 3a square minus 3r square upon 6. So, it gives rho upon epsilon naught into, subtracting 2r square from 3r square, we can get 3a square minus r square equal to rho upon 6 epsilon naught 3 a square minus r square. This is V inside. This is expression for electric potential at point P inside the shell. This relation also implies at center of sphere r is equal to a. Therefore, at center of sphere r is equal to 0. Therefore, V at center will be rho upon 6 epsilon naught into 3 a square equal to 3 upon 2 rho a square upon 3 epsilon naught is equal to 3 by 2 times of V at surface. That is, V center is equal to 3 by 2 times of V at surface of solid sphere. आई होप ये डेरिवेशन आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा, समझ में आया होगा। आप इससे एसोसिएटेड हमारे पास कभी कभी न्यूमेरिकल पूछ लिया जाता है, दरअसल ये कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पूछा जाता है।